Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So this is going to be a very short video today. I've been pretty busy and I've been working on a lot of videos as well. Video editing has taken up so much of my time, but I just wanted to put out a quick video for today's lesson. And a lot of the times when we take landscape photos like this, we see fringing or haloing. So in this case, if I zoom into the branches right over here, we actually see both fringing and haloing. You can see this nasty looking white brown edge over here, and you can see these purple fringes over here. So a lot of people say I can just go into filter and then go to camera raw filter, and then I use the built-in defringe, it'll work, but a lot of the times it doesn't. As you can see in this case, if I zoom in all the way to the branches over here, right over here, if I sample defringe, click the purple, you can still see that white edge, right? It removes the purple, but you still have the white edge, and that's what we want to get rid of. I know this is pixel peeping, but a lot of photographers are perfectionists and want this white edge completely removed. So what we're going to do is use the clone stamp tool. Make sure you're using a fairly hard brush. So hardness maybe like even 100 is good. The reason why we use a hard brush instead of a soft brush is to make sure that the colors in the sky do not bleed over to the branch. Sample an area around here, and then we can just slowly paint over. So like I said, this is the manual way to do it. It takes a lot of time, but in the end, it is worth it. Your pictures come out clean, and they don't have this white edge or purple edge anymore. But we can just go ahead and do this around the whole entire branch. So over here you can see this brown color, this white area. We're going to get rid of all that as well. This is very hard to do with the automatic tool, such as the built-in camera raw filter, because it just doesn't detect it very well. So a lot of the times we have to do this manually. I know it's really cumbersome, but sometimes we got to do what we got to do to get rid of the fringing and the haloing. Alright, so that wraps it up for this video. You can see this was the before, and let me turn off the smart filters. So this was the before, and this was the after, right? So once again, before, and I turn on the smart filters, and after. So it looks a lot cleaner. We're removing a lot of the haloing, and as you can see, there are so many branches in this image with haloing, but that's going to take forever to do. You can take as long as you want with this process, and it is a very time-consuming one, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to cut it short. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.